In my opinion, it's so important to expose students to Manufacturing Day because so many people don't know what goes on inside these big warehouses where all these manufacturing locations are. And to understand that how things are made and how everything has to be made for these industries is really, really important for these students to see.
Manufacturing Day is important because it allows young adults to come in and view what their potential career that they want to pursue in. Manufacturing is cool because you turn nothing into something. You get to really work on making that part into something, and it's so rewarding taking a solid block of metal into actual airplane part.
It is important to open our doors here at Onamac to the next generation because they're going to be our next new hires. Onamac has a critically important partnership with AJAC. We trust them with our entry-level operators, quite often being young adults that have never had an opportunity to come into the manufacturing world. And AJAC gives them a lot of the foundational skills that they need in order to be safe, as well as being able to functionally run machines at that entry level.
I just think it's a great opportunity to bring more students in. If more and more schools did this to expose their students to manufacturing like this, then more students would understand that this is an actual career that they can go into. They got to see all kinds of tooling going on. They got to see mills, they got to see lathes, they saw different types of materials being worked on, being created and produced. They saw parts being made. They saw very small parts. They saw huge parts that were 40 feet long that were being made. So they saw like a really wide variety of products being made.
What surprised me when I first came here, and I'm sure the students were just the machines in general and seeing the process of what it takes to actually work on these machines. Like seeing what button does what and actually walking up to a trained CNC lathe or mill professional and being like, hey, how did you get this part to look like this, and what it takes to get to that, and what tools can you use to get to that? What skills that you need for this job? It's just basic understanding of math, and then also having the integrity to show up on work on time, having it, even though perseverance to push through with different coworkers showing you or leads showing you different ways on how to do something. You need to differentiate on what you need to take and what you need to leave behind, because you're going to learn a lot from different people, and that's what I appreciate about the teamwork and the foundation that they have here.
I hope that students today take away from their tour the endless possibilities that are open to them. Today they've gotten to see different aspects of what our business does. I know they've visited others as well. The world is their oyster, and they can do just about anything they want with manufacturing.
So often we see what the building trades are, but to see what actually goes on in manufacturing is difficult to see. And so a lot of people don't understand the complexity of manufacturing, and having more people come in and actually be able to see it, it enables them to understand this is how products are made. This is a career pathway I could see myself going into.